So it looks like Motorola is back making smartwatches. This time we're looking at the Moto Watch 100. Oddly enough, the price on this one is about 100 bucks. So this one's even cheaper than the OnePlus watch. You can choose between Glacier Silver and the one here is Phantom Black. So this one here is an aluminum smartwatch. It's got 26 sport modes. It's a 42mm aluminum case, black silicone band, 1.3-inch circular LCD display. This one is 5 ATM, water resistant. This one's gonna have the always on display as well. And instead of Wear OS, this one has their all new Moto Watch OS. So sort of like OnePlus, they're gonna be doing their own software this time. This one's gonna have a lot of fitness tracking, goals, biometric data, heart rate, sleep tracking, weight tracking, blood oxygen levels. It also has onboard GPS. Not only are they advertising up to 14 days full-time use, you've also got Bluetooth 5.0. This one also has quick charge, 0 to 100% in only 60 minutes. Okay, I definitely like the band on this one. Reminds me a lot of the OnePlus watch. It also has an accelerometer, gyroscope, HRM, and GPS. USB charger, this one's definitely a little bit different than the OnePlus and Samsung watch. Okay, pretty lightweight here. This is a really nice matte black material here. Okay, so pretty similar to my Galaxy Watch 4 here. Definitely has a little bit different style screen here. Actually has more of a bezel going around the edges, where the Samsung watch is all glass all the way across. And it looks like it's a little bit thicker than the Samsung watch as well. You can sort of see the buttons there on the side, or sort of a gloss black color. Interesting, it doesn't really look like there's a startup screen or anything. Okay, it looks like it just pops right up there in the Bluetooth settings. You can see here's what the app looks like once you get logged in. You can enable notifications. You can also set your sleep goal. I highly doubt I'm gonna get 7 hours and 30 minutes, but sure, why not? You can also set how many steps you wanna get in the day. Looks like you can also set your sleep schedule here, your bedtime, wake up time. You can customize it for each day of the week. You can obviously monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, and then weight trends over time. Then you've also got activity, track calories you burn, active minutes, sports tracking, and yeah, unfortunately, that's my lifestyle right there, sitting at a desk. You can set how many active calories you want to burn daily, step goals for the week. Here's a quick size comparison. You've got the OnePlus watch on the right and the Galaxy Watch 4 on the left. Both the Galaxy Watch 4 and the OnePlus watch have glass that kind of cover the bezel, where on the Moto watch, it's an aluminum bezel that goes all the way around. Feels better to use on the Samsung and OnePlus. Obviously, that's gonna be personal preference. It also feels like the bands are a little bit bigger on the OnePlus and Samsung watch as well. As far as build quality goes, on the Moto Watch 100, it feels like it's pretty decent quality. Definitely doesn't feel quite as premium as the OnePlus watch or obviously the Galaxy Watch 4. Screen resolution and contrast is just okay in my opinion. Definitely could be better. So when counting my steps, it seemed somewhat accurate. I'm definitely gonna have to test that more. If you push the bottom button, you're gonna get all of the exercises like bike, walk, run, strength, snowboard, ski, e-bike, hand cycle, CrossFit, cricket, tennis, football American, football, elliptical, run indoor, bike, walk, run. So you've got a lot of different exercises you can do. For whatever reason, I can't get this thing to stay on Fahrenheit for temperature. Somehow I forgot to set up my sleep stats, so I'm gonna have to wait another day or two to see how accurate that is. I also feel like there's not enough watch faces to choose from on the Moto Watch 100 compared to the other watches that I own. And for some reason, I can't get the clock to stay on 12-hour. You can switch it to 12-hour, but then just within minutes, it'll switch back to 24-hour. No matter what I tried, I could not get it to stay on 12-hour. I also feel like the touch responsiveness on this watch is not as good as on OnePlus or the Galaxy Watch 4. I hate to point out all the negative stuff on this watch because I do like it, especially for the price, but I feel like it falls short in quite a few basic areas when it comes to a smartwatch or even a fitness tracker. Even though I set it up to get text messages through the Moto Watch app, yeah, I wasn't getting those either. So as you can see, I haven't had much luck with this watch. I'm probably still gonna wear it for a while just to test it out some more. But yeah, my first impressions, I just don't know if I would recommend this. Maybe just wait a little bit till they do some more software updates. Now, don't get me wrong, I really like that Motorola is making watches again. I just wish it would be a little bit better quality, better screen, can keep time in 12-hour format. I feel like maybe this watch was rushed just a little too much to get it out there. So hopefully they can fix a lot of this stuff in software updates. Overall though, I feel like it's a nice start from Motorola. If they make just a few minor tweaks, update the software, I think they might actually be onto something here. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.